My name's Millie and I'm here with Ross from Taupō. What do you love about being a business based here in Hastings?
I love Hastings and how it's thriving at the moment. It's really growing. It's an exciting time to be here.
And how has that growth impacted your business?
It's allowed us to move the store into this custom-built showroom space that we've got here and offering the largest range of tiles that you can find in the Hawke's Bay. We've got wall tiles, floor tiles, mosaics, subways, right up to giant slabs, and also some vanities and high-end stone basins and just different bits and pieces.
Now, can you tell me a little bit about your staff members?
Oh, you're talking about the furry one?
Yes.
So Leo is our shop dog. He loves to meet the customers when they come in, and the customers just absolutely adore him. As soon as you stop patting him, he'll start nudging you to ask for more.
Well, isn't that a great sales assistant? You're right in the heart of Hastings here. Where's your favourite place to grab a bite?
I quite often just shoot around the corner to Kami Sushi. They're on Hiratonga Street. Amazing sushi, best in town.
So what are you excited about for the future of Hastings?
I just love the amount of growth and vibrancy that's happening in Hastings with all the new businesses opening up, the new eateries and restaurants. I just love being right in the centre of it all.
Amazing. Thank you so much for having me today. It's been incredible seeing your space.
It's been a pleasure having you here.